everyone, welcome back from my channel. Today we are going to do the exercises from Cambridge Primary Science Workbook 4. 6.1 Which materials conduct electricity? Focus. Question number 1a. Complete this sentence. A material that allows electricity to pass through it is an electrical conductor. B. Write a similar sentence to explain what an electrical insulator is. A material that does not allow electricity to pass through it is an electrical insulator. Question number 2. Identify the objects 1 to 6 in the picture. Now, identify the material each object is made from. Fill in your answers in column 2 of the table. Decide whether each object is an electrical conductor or electrical insulator. Put a tick in either column 3 or column 4. Object, material object is made from. Electrical conductor, electrical insulator. So, first, number 1 is key. The key is made from the metal and it is electrical conductor. Number 2, bottle. The bottle is made from glass and it is electrical insulator. Number 3, toy deck. The toy deck is made from plastic and it is electrical insulator. Number 4, paper clip. The paper clip is made from metal and it is electrical conductor. Number 5, book. The book is paper and it is electrical insulator. Shopping bag. The shopping bag is plastic and it is electrical insulator. Practice question number 3a. Predict whether the lamp will light up in each of the following circuits. Write yes or no alongside each circuit. Question A. The circuit connects with the key, and because of the key is metal and it is electrical conductor, so the light will light up. Number B. The circuit connects with toy deck. The toy deck is plastic and it is electrical insulator, so the circuit will not light up. Number C. The circuit connects with the cup and the cup is made from ceramic and it is electrical insulator, so the lamp will not light up. D. The circuit connects with the cork and the cork is made from oak and it is electrical insulator, so the light will not light up. Question B. Which materials A, B, C, or D are electrical conductors and which materials are electrical insulators? Material A is an electrical conductor and materials B, C, and D are electrical insulators. Question C. Complete the sentence below to make your conclusion. Materials made of metal, like the key, are electrical conductors. Materials made of ceramic, plastic, and cork are insulators of electricity. Challenge. Question number 4. Sophia and Sarah have made a circuit to test whether different objects are electrical conductors or electrical insulators. A. How can they test that their circuit works? Holding the plastic-covered wires along the bare metal wires to touch each other. If the lamp lights up, the circuit works. B. They tested these 4 objects: coin, chopstick, glass, plastic spoon. Predict which of the 4 objects will conduct electricity and which will not. Put a tick next to the objects that will conduct electricity and a cross next to the ones that will not conduct electricity. The coin is made from metal and it will conduct electricity. The glass will not conduct electricity. The chopstick will not conduct electricity. And the plastic spoon will also not conduct electricity. C. How can Sophia and Sarah test each object? Test each object by holding one of the plastic-coated wires in each hand so that the bare wires touch two different parts of the object. Observe the lamp. If the lamp lights up, the object conducts electricity. If the lamp does not light up, the object does not conduct electricity. D. What do Sophia and Sarah conclude about which materials are electrical conductors and which are electrical insulators? Metals are conductors and non-metals are insulators of electricity. Number E. Use your conclusion to predict whether each of the following objects will be conductors or insulators of electricity: a key, a glass bottle, a cork, a plastic spoon. Fill in your answer in the table. Object, material object is made from electrical conductor, electrical insulator. The key is made from metal and it is electrical conductor. A glass bottle is made from glass and it is electrical insulator. The spoon is made from plastic and it is electrical insulator. The cork is made from oak and it is also electrical insulator. 6.2. Does water conduct electricity? Focus. Question number 1A. What is pure water? Pure water is water with no salts dissolved in it. B. How is tap water different to pure water? Tap water contains salts dissolved in it. C. Why can plants, animals, and humans conduct electricity? They can conduct electricity because they contain water with salts dissolved in it. Practice. Question number 2. In the space below, design and draw a poster to put up in a restaurant kitchen. The poster must warn never to use electric stoves and appliances with wet hands. Make sure your poster is eye-catching and has a picture that will make your message clear. So, you can design and draw a poster as you wish. And this is an example of mine. Challenge. Question number 3. Jawad has just completed a 20-kilometer run. He is very hot and sweaty. The first thing he does when he gets home is turn on the electric fan. Jawad moves the fan and touches some bare connecting wire where the plastic insulation has worn away. A. What has happened to Jawad? Jawad got an electric shock. B. List 3 factors that cause this to happen. The 3 factors that cause this to happen are: A. The electricity was switched on. B. The plastic insulation has worn off the wire where he had it. C. He had sweaty hands. Salt water conducts electricity.